Hey everyone, what's up? AJ from GoProFanatics.com here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between SuperView and wide. So first of all, let's go over what SuperView is. SuperView is essentially a taller aspect ratio that has been dynamically stretched to a wider aspect ratio. So think 4:3 converted to 16:9, and this is all done within the GoPro automatically. So SuperView is very cool if you have the body mounted shots of you skiing, mountain biking, motocross, ATVing, water skiing, wakeboarding, anything like that where you want the maximum field of view up and down and side to side. But this comes at a cost. The outer edges are going to be even more distorted than normally. So this is why you have to evaluate the shot that you're capturing and determine whether or not SuperView is necessary or not, because of the issue of distortion. So I'm going to show you a few different clips to better illustrate the differences between SuperView and wide. So let's go. That concludes the video of SuperView versus wide. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you can now see the difference between SuperView and wide. And now you should be able to make a better decision of which setting to use for your next GoPro film. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for future videos. Lots of great stuff coming up. Until next time, see ya.